Good day, trainees.
Good day, sir.
So, welcome sa ating electrical installed and maintenance NC2. But before tayo mag-proceed sa ating lesson, kindly fill up this for attendance. Thank you. So, ikaw si John Jeffrey Tudal, at ikaw naman si Andre Figueroa. So, before that, mag-check muna ako kung may experience na ba kayo before dito sa electrical installation. Kindly build up this and may mga check-checkan lang naman kung nakapag-take na ba kayo ng courses na. Since lahat naman kayo na nakapag-take naman. So, ito naman, the next ko naman na ibibigay is written test lang naman to para lang malaman ko kung paano kayo i-handle sa ating content lang. Time's up. Good day, trainees. Ako nga palang instructor, Mr. John H. Carina. And our agenda for today is electrical installation and maintenance in situ. For our house rule, number 1 is individual feature taking for the ID. Number 2 is action pictures to be taken from the time to time. Next is refrain from leaving the session room while the session is ongoing. Number 4, keep mobile phones on silent mode. Phone call and visitors must be entertained during break time. Next is consolidate our output for portfolio assessment, and national assessment will be announced on or before the training. So our traditional CBT approach, first we have the teacher-centered, second in the lectures. Next is focus on textbooks and lectures, emphasis on memorization, and passive learning. For our CBT approach, we have the learner-centered and outcome focus. Next is individualized space, practical, and applied. Lastly, for our assessment, we will. For our CBT principles, the training is based on curriculum developed from the competency standards. Next is learning is modular in its structure. Next is training delivery is learner-centered and should be accommodated individualized and self-paced learning strategies. Number 4 is training is based on work that must be performed. For our last principle, training materials are directly related to the competency standards and curriculum modules. So the roles of the trainer, first we have the facilitative, second is technical, third is evaluative. Roles of the trainee, first must be active, self-directed, and be responsible. For our evaluation system, institutional assessment, national assessment, COC, ONC. For our training methods, we have training-led training, OJT or on-the-job training, and modular training. And we have demonstration and group discussions. For our basic competencies, participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, practice career professionalism, and practice occupational health and safety. For our common competencies, use hand tools, perform mensuration and calculation, prepare and interpret technical drawing, apply quality standards, and terminate and connect electrical wiring and electronic circuits. For our core competency, perform wrapping in activities, wiring and cabling works for single phase distribution, power, lighting, and auxiliary systems. And next is install electrical protective devices for distribution, power, lighting, auxiliary, lighting protection, and ground systems. And install wiring devices of floor and wall mounted outlet, lighting fixture, switches, and auxiliary outlets. For our nominal duration, meron siyang 196 hours na. Ito ang mga do's and don'ts natin in workshop. Number 1, to respect the facilitators. 2 is to participate actively. Do follow instruction and do adhere to the dress code and do take notes. Don't arrive late. Don't use phones and distractions. Don't ignore safety protocols, and don't be disrespectful to fellow trainees, and don't hesitate to ask for help. For our activity, proper handling of materials, tools, and equipment, and for our objective, after performing this job sheet, you must be able to apply the safety procedures for our materials, stranded cable wire, circuit breakers, and lighting features. Step, gather the necessary tools, for example, is the screwdriver, wire stripper, drill, or tester. Inspect all tools and equipment for damage before use. Turn off the power supply of the main circuit breaker. Use the voltage tester to confirm if the energize. Set up safety perimeter at working at height. For example, is using a ladder. Carefully remove the old fixture switch using a screwdriver. Use wire connectors or electrical tape to insulate exposed wire. And ensure all wires are tightly connected and properly insulated. And verify that the fixture or switch is aligned correctly. Ensure the ground wire is securely connected to avoid electric shock risk. Turn the switch on, off, and observe the lighting fixtures, functionality, and inspect all connection to ensure no loss and exposed wire. And conduct a safety briefing with the team before closing the task. So now mag-proceed na tayo sa ating practical area. Simple lang naman to, magbe-basic wiring lang naman kayo using this. And bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 10 minutes to proceed. Okay, proceed. Starts now. Time's up. Next ka na, Mr. Pedro. Time's up. may isang makapasa at may isang hindi. Mr. Godal, nakapasa ka sa ating exam. And sorry, Mr. Figueroa. Pwede ka naman mag-take in another dito. And let's proceed to our institutional assessment area para ma-evaluate ka rin yung sarili. This form para ma-evaluate yung sarili mo and ma-evaluate ka rin. So, congratulations nga po pala ulit, Mr. Rodal. For our electrical maintenance and situ, I'm giving the certificate for you. And Mr. Figueroa, you can take naman the another session